This recent decision of the International Criminal Court Pre-Trial Chamber 1 denying Duterte's request for interim release is a win for justice. The decision affirms the position of the victims and their families that there are just and reasonable grounds to continue to hold Duterte in detention for his crimes against humanity. His propensity to evade justice for years is enough reason to underscore his capability to do the same in the course of the trial. His capacity and that of his families and associates to use his connections and resources to undermine the court and go after witnesses and victims is in full play. This recent legal loss of Duterte is a product of the relentless campaigns and work of the victims and their families, as well as that of the lawyers, the human rights community, and the people's organizations who persist in keeping watch over the ICC proceedings despite the delaying tactics employed by Duterte and his ilk. Duterte panagutin.